Well, I couldn't do too much because my chainsaw blade came loose, and like a dum-dum I forgot my wrenches at home. So much for that, huh? But anyway, still got some done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I need 7 more big trees for my floor rafters. So, and a whole bunch for my walls and ceiling yet. So that's good. All right. That one and that one are going to be my floor joists. So, I think we're in good shape. Use this one for my, I'll cut this down and it'll become a joist. So with that one and that one, so that's 2 more ceiling. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more for the floor. And then we got that one and that one. That one and that one for my foundation. And we got a floor and a ceiling one right there. So, all in all, we're in pretty good shape. Things are looking good. I got to finish tearing this shit down, which is next on the priority, I suppose. Well, actually, next is to limb all this stuff and get my pathway back. Yeah, because my pathway is missing. So that's it. Okay, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. I won't be out until later in the day if I come at all, because I got doctors. So we'll see you soon.